Today for sale, we have a Leblonde Makino lathe. It's 15-inch swing, 54 between centers. This machine has an L-1 long nose taper spindle, 8-inch chuck made in Sweden. Also comes with a 12-inch Cushman 4-jaw. This machine has a number 4 Morris taper spindle in it. RPM range is 1800 to 45 RPMs. We're going to run this spindle here for you. That's 937 RPMs. Runs nice and quiet. This machine features a brake. It'll coast here. Brake thing works as it should. We can shift this thing very easily. We'll do 132 RPMs. Machine rocks the chuck, engages it. There's your speed. 132 RPMs. We'll stop it. Switch it to 351. Spindle rocks. Gears are engaged. Engage the feed here. Run the feeds here for you. This thing does have a reversing, so you can reverse the direction on the carriage without stopping the spindle. Run the half nut. We also have the brake on the carriage. Oops. Start the spindle. If you have any more questions about this Leblonde Makino lathe, give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. I do also have a Leblonde Makino that has a D16 spindle that will be listed shortly. Any questions, give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. Thanks.